Right, I'm going to have another look at the puzzles from LN Hunt. It's been a while since I was able to look at this. I've just been busy with other things, not had the free time. But the next puzzle is cutting onions. Okay, we've got some clues. I don't know what's going on with that one. Alright, the answer to this puzzle. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I reckon we're pairing that this question mark one will pair with this one. It's the mechanics something to do with the layering of onions, perhaps. These one, two, no, we've got two ones. It's not an ordering. Maybe they don't look like lengths, so maybe indices. And then we've got some gimmick going on, which is something to do with onions. Let's it. Sure. In the sheet. Try and answer some clues. Try and pair some clues up. I don't know. Maybe these ones seem. Okay, these both sets of clues are alpha ordered, so order is not relevant. And yeah, maybe we are really pairing them up. Factorial of -1 according to Wolf from alpha. Very easy to work out. Complex infinity. That is okay. Quite an interesting answer, I suppose. Extremely complex. Holly with a season in its name. Probably winter, because yeah, right, Winterberry. Like a wiki article that can't be edited. Is that locked? Protected? Yeah. Protected. Do the bird. No. DD sharp. Okay. Closed and perhaps closed interval. Artists who can't breathe in a small delay, but atoms of the but. Should have said. Cease to bleed. Clot. It's an index going on. That's the clot. Maybe it's cease to bleed or stem. Clot sticks out to me. Frosty. I'd want icy, but I'd like it to be length at least Or, okay, note equivalent to F is D sharp, which you'll notice is present in D sharp. And okay, and if this is closed, then that ends in sed. A few songs, Can't Breathe. Maybe HER is a good one. Somewhere you might push to prod, push to main. I'm thinking in software development context, so in Clearlight it's about something completely different. Longer float is a double. In a computer science context. Hmm. Frosty can be wintry, right? And then we have like wintry. And if we push to prod, we get that. This is a complexity. Oh no. So we get infin. Okay, right, nice. So then there's like something in the middle surrounded by a repeated bigram. Here we have E sharp, then we have D, E, B, E. Yeah, nice. Um, so I don't think closed on its own is right. Oh, right, and we're going to have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's to their core, not put in order, right? Yeah. Um, Nice, 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 nice. Okay. What could this be if not closed or closed interval? Closed interval. Then I don't see anywhere we could have that repeated bigram going on. Compact has a similar problem. Don't know. Anticipate. Which of these would be extremely hot takes? I'd want one of them ending in S, probably. Yeah, I've used that, that, and that. Double, we should find double. Is this like doubly something? Oh, a sword is double edge, double edged. And then edged. Fix. That's something. Let's start putting these in order. And then these are nothing, right? You can, right, we'll just copy over, like, so we've got wintry from E sharp, complexity double. Here we have 4, 2, 6, 5, 3. And then we'll index that into everything conceivable. Which we have an index greater than 5, so we can't be indexing into this bit or any of these. And we already think that indexing into these answers is a bit pathetic. Actually matches in a lot of cases, which is interesting. Of course it will, because this thing appears at the start of the answer in almost all cases. Interesting. Let's just solve. We'll solve a couple more. Couple more. So it has to be closed. It's a closed set. And then we get clocked. Right, so we get plot two. Okay, these. Oh yeah, of course, because that actually goes there. I mean, it still looks like absolute rubbish, doesn't it? And we could be reading these, I guess. So let's say that this is anticipate. Do what? Let's see if we can find some things. So what do we want? We want, let's suppose the split is like S stuff and then ED at the end. If we have S, then we'd have a letter and then a letter, and then something, and then so this like repeated bigram thing, and then ED. Satiated. Like, yeah, it's a nice word. Doesn't fit any of these clues except this one, which we think goes with this. I wonder if we expand out to union. Oh, we're going to get all sorts of rubbish here. Okay, I'm going to have SE like that. C ahead, that is anticipate. And said have an index of 1. Let's just check I've copied these indices right. Said is 1, wintry is 4, prod is 2, E sharp 6, cloth is 2, complexity is 5, double is 3. Yeah. And that is an H, which therefore goes there. So now we need extremely hot takes. With possibly HER, but possibly not. Let's try HER. So if we go H, 1, 2, either A or I, 1, 2, ER, nothing. We put it there instead. Nothing. Heresies. Yes, those are extremely hot takes. Sure. So, all right, now we've solved everything that's available. Control plus H. What does Control H do? Find and replace. Replace, I guess. But the indices we're taking are into this word. So we need it to be at least 8 long, so it can't just be replace. So it would have to be find and replace. Oh, this is literally Control plus H. And then so this clue is Control plus H, which we think is find and replace. And then here is our diagram, which makes the answer fireplace. Yes. Oh, that's a really elegant, lovely puzzle. Nice. Oh, I really enjoyed that.